Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you our hotel at Vũng. This is the alleyway where the hotel is located. When you first walk in, you'll see some motorbikes. This is the parking area. To the left, you'll see the lobby area, and you'll also see a father and his son in a hammock, which are the owners of this hotel. This is actually also their home. Many people do this actually, where they convert their home into a hotel as well. Our room is on a second floor, and across from our room, I believe, is a private room. We were given one key to open this door. There are no other locks, so the security on this door is quite low. However, I find Vietnam to be pretty safe. So for the door, you have a simple lock. That's all you have, nothing else. You have 3 light switches, and this is for the air conditioner. The bathroom is really nice and clean. Really nice toilet. Good shower. I'm impressed. And hello, that's me. A good sink. Exactly what you need. Very good. And this is the room itself. You have an AC, which works great. 2 beds. A little nightstand. And then behind these curtains, although it looks like a window, it is not a window. There's just a brick wall over there. And over here, quite weird, there's a window. And that window leads to nothing. I'm gonna see if I could show a little bit more. I'm gonna climb. But over there is actually the neighboring house. It's not the hotel. How much does this place cost?
220.000.
It's 220,000 Vietnamese dong, which is really good price. This is, for that price, this place is amazing. If you're not looking to spend a lot of money on, a big fancy hotel, I highly recommend this place. Great and amazing. Just maybe, everyone can hear everything that you do and that you talk about, but it's well worth the price.
Hai rổ có không?
Hả?
Mua 2 rổ có không?
2 rổ thì 200. Ta được hả con? 2 rổ à?
Không rổ thôi, để mang cái khác nữa.
Another market, but in Vũng.
Nó có kia có gần chứ. Đúng không?
And that's oysters, right?
Ủa, cái hào nhỏ người ta gọi là hào sữa hả?
Giỏi không? Nướng thì nướng hào này. Đã. Ngon hơn.
Ăn vô đây. Đi ra chứ. Dẹp ra ngoài.
Very good. This is a statue to honor the whale. The fishermen say that if they see a whale in the ocean while sailing, it will save them from a storm.
Good.
So there's this public bathroom by the beach. I'm gonna show you.
Okay. Here.
Push the button right there, and it opens. And then you use it. I just pushed it with my hand. Try pushing it with your hand. I'll do it for you. That's what I did. Bye bye. And you push that to exit. This is the beach at Vũng Tàu. And this is em chick. Em chick giỡn. Em chick giỡn. Giỡn. Giỡn.